Bread butter jam, as everyone knows, is one of the most easiest and basic sandwich recipe. Usually everyone makes it when they don't have enough time to cook, and even kids make it for their no fire cooking. I usually make this as a breakfast when I don't have enough time to cook in the mornings. For this recipe, take 3 slices of bread and cut off all the edges. Now take 1 tablespoon jam. You can use any brand. Now spread the jam generously over the bread slice. Once the bread is evenly coated, take a teaspoonful of butter, which is at room temperature, and start spreading it over another bread slice. Once it's done, flip it over the slice with the jam. Now take another tablespoon of jam and spread it evenly over the assembled bread slices. Repeat the same with the butter on the remaining slice and flip it over the sandwich, and you're good to go. If you prefer your breads grilled or toasted, you can do that as well. I choose not to toast today. Now cut and serve as per the desired shape you want. I have chosen the traditional triangles. Hope you found this video useful. Subscribe to my channel Curry Bites for more future recipes. Thank you for watching.